Welcome to 15-Minute English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today, we dive straight into 12 essential words about budgeting and saving money. Let's go! Fancy a cuppa but checked your bank first?
I did that this morning with my coffee. I almost bought the large size. Then I remembered my money plan.
Oh, that's a very common feeling, Leo. It's about making a plan for your money. That brings us to our first word.
Right. Let's start with that plan itself. That's an important idea for all listeners.
Okay, imagine it's the start of the month. You sit down with a cup of tea. You write down all your money.
And then you write down where it all needs to go. Rent, food, that coffee I wanted. It's like a map for your money.
Exactly. That map is your budget. It's a plan for how you will spend your money.
Let's spell that. B-U-D-G-E-T. Budget. It looks like ɓʌdʒɪt.
That's right. A budget is a plan for your money. It shows your income and your expenses.
My budget for this month is very tight. I'm trying to save money for a new phone.
Oh, that's a great goal. My budget always includes a little money for books. It's my small treat.
I like that. A good tip is to make it realistic. Don't make a budget that is impossible to follow.
That's very true. Now, a budget needs money coming in. Let's talk about that next.
Okay, so you get your paycheck from your job. That feeling when the money hits your bank account, it's the best.
Yes, that number that goes up. It's the money you earn from your job or maybe from a small business.
Yes, that money you earn is your wage income. It's the total money you receive.
Let's spell it. I-N-C-O-M-E. Income. In like inside and come like it comes to you.
That's a great way to remember it. So, income is all the money you get, usually every month from your work.
My main income is from my online tutoring classes. I also get a little income from a writing project.
Same for me. My income is from my job. And my sister Mia makes extra by walking dogs.
Oh, how lovely. An important thing is knowing your total income. It's the first step in making a budget.
Right, you need to know what's coming in before you can plan what goes out.
Okay, now for the less fun part. You just got paid, but then you have to pay for your flat and your bus pass.
Oh yeah, my car insurance too. Also my gym membership. The list never seems to end, does it?
It really doesn't. Each of those things you pay for is an expense. It's money you spend on something.
Expense. E-X-P-E-N-S-E. It sounds like expensive, but it's a noun.
Yes, that's a good connection. An expense is a cost. It's something you must pay for.
My biggest expense each month is my rent. It takes a huge part of my income.
For me, it's my food shopping. I try to cook at home to keep that expense low. Biscuits cat food is a big expense too.
I bet. A good idea is to list all your expenses. You can see where your money's going.
Exactly. Knowing your expenses is so important. It helps you decide what you can save.
Okay, so you have your income. You subtract your expenses. There's some money left over.
Hopefully. That leftover money is special. You don't spend it. You put it away for later instead.
Yes, and that action is to saver. It means to keep money for the future.
Let's spell it. S-A-V-A. Save. It sounds like safe, which is a good way to think about it.
Oh, I like that. You are keeping your money safe. So to save is to not spend money now.
I try to save a little bit of money every week, even if it's just a small amount.
Same for me. I save money by making coffee at home. It really helps me reach my goals.
A good tip for listeners: pay yourself first. When you get your income, immediately save some of it.
That's a great habit. And when you save, you start to build something important.
Picture a glass jar. Every week you put a coin in it. After a year, the jar is full of coins.
I love that image. It's like a collection of all the money you didn't spend. It feels so good to see it grow.
That collection of money is your savings. It's the total money you have saved.
Savings. Savings. It always has an S at the end, like the word thanks.
That's an important point. Savings is the money you have put away. It's for future use.
I used my savings to buy my blue Honda. It took a long time to build them up.
That's wonderful. I used my savings to travel to Japan last year. It was my big dream.
Wow. I think it's important to have a reason for your savings. It keeps you motivated.
I agree. Having a goal makes it easier. Now let's talk about the opposite of saving.
Okay, this one is easy for me. You're at the store. You see something you really want. You give them your money.
Yes, or you're online. You click Buy Now. That action of using money is very familiar.
And that action is to spend. It means to use money to buy things.
Let's spell it. S-P-E-N-D. Spend. It rhymes with friend. Maybe you spend money on a friend.
That's cute. So to spend is to pay money for goods or services. It's the opposite of save.
I try not to spend too much money on clothes. I prefer to spend it on experiences.
That's smart. I spend a lot on gas for my car. The traffic in Chicago is terrible.
Oh, I can imagine. A tip is to think before you spend. Ask yourself, do I really need this?
That question has saved me so much money. Okay, so when you spend money, you often get something in return.
Think about your phone. You use it all month. Then at the end of the month, a letter arrives or an email.
Ugh, yes. The email that says you owe money for your phone, your electricity, your internet. It's always a long list.
That document is a jumble. It's a request for payment for a service.
Let's spell that. B-I-L-L. Bill. A very simple word for a not-so-simple thing.
That's true. A bill tells you how much money to pay, and when you need to pay it.
I have a bill for my car insurance every 6 months. It's a big one, so I have to plan for it.
I get a bill for my council tax every month. I always pay it on the first day.
A good idea is to automate your bills. The money comes out of your account automatically. Then you never forget.
Yes, that's a great tip. Paying bills on time is very important. It helps you build a good plan for the future.
Okay, so you are saving money. But why? You're not just saving for nothing. You have a dream.
Exactly. Maybe it's a holiday, or a new laptop for work, or paying off a student loan.
That thing you are working toward is your Maronana goal. It's something you want to achieve in the future.
Let's spell that one. G-O-A-L, goal. Like in football when a player scores a goal.
Perfect. A financial goal is a target for your money. It gives you a reason to save.
My current goal is to save for a new sofa. Biscuit has scratched the old one so much.
My main goal is saving for a down payment. I want a small apartment. It feels so far away sometimes.
I understand that. A good tip is to have short-term and long-term goals. It keeps you motivated.
That's true. To reach a goal, you sometimes make changes.
So you look at your budget. You see you are spending too much on something. Maybe eating out at restaurants.
Yeah, that's a big one for me. I look at my bank statement. I think, wow, so many cafes. I need to do it less.
That decision to do something less is to cut back, It means to reduce the amount of something.
Cut back. C-U-T. And then B-A-C-K. Two separate words. It's a phrasal verb.
That's right. To cut back means to spend less money, or to do something less often.
I need to cut back on buying video games. I have so many I haven't even played yet.
And I need to cut back on buying new plants for my flat. I'm running out of space.
That's a good problem to have. A helpful tip is to cut back on one small thing, like one less coffee per week.
Yes, small changes make a big difference. And it helps if you can see where the money is going.
Okay, so you say you want to cut back. But how do you know if it's working? You need to watch your spending.
Right. You need to follow it. You write down every coffee, every bus ticket, every book.
And that action of following your money is to retract it. It means to monitor or follow something.
Let's spell it. TRACK. Track. Like a running track at a stadium. You follow the path.
I like that connection. To track your spending is to record it. You can see where every dollar goes.
I use an app on my phone to track my expenses. It makes it very easy to see everything.
My sister Mia uses a notebook. She tracks her dog walking income daily. She's so organized.
Wow, good for her. A tip is to track your spending for 1 month. You might be surprised where your money goes.
It's so true. It helps you find things that are not too expensive.
So you're shopping for a new coat. You see one for £500 and another for £50.
Right, one is very expensive. The other one is a good price. You can buy it without problems.
Exactly. The one you can buy easily is affordable. It means not too expensive.
Affordable. Affordable. That's a longer one. Let's say it again. Affordable.
Yes. If something is affordable, you have enough money to buy it. It fits in your budget.
I am looking for an affordable gym membership. Some of them are just so expensive in the city.
I understand. I always look for affordable restaurants. This is for when my friends visit me in Manchester.
A good way to think of it is to ask, can I afford this? If the answer is yes, it's affordable for you.
That's a great way to put it. This helps you prepare for the small problems in life.
Okay, last one. Picture this. Your car breaks down. Suddenly you need $500 for repairs.
Oh, that's a stressful situation. Or maybe your cat, Biscuit, gets sick, and you have a surprise vet bill.
Exactly. The special money for surprises is your an emergency fund.
Emergency fund. EMERGENCY. And then FUND. 2 words. Fund just means a collection of money.
Right. So an emergency fund is savings for unexpected problems. It is for true emergencies only.
It took me a year to build my emergency fund, but now I feel much calmer about life.
Me too. My emergency fund is not for a holiday. It's only for things like a medical bill, or if I lose my job.
That's so important. A good goal is to save 3 months of expenses. Keep it in your emergency fund.
It gives you peace of mind. You know you are prepared for unexpected bad situations.
Wow, look at that. We covered 12 really useful words for managing money, from budget to emergency fund.
That was great. I feel like we just built a whole financial plan. I bet everyone listening learned a lot.
I hope so. These words really are the foundation. They help you talk about money in English.
And they help you think about your own money too. It's not just language, it's a life skill.
That's so true. Are you ready for a quick game? I want to see if you were listening.
Ha! I was definitely listening. Let's do it. You ask me first.
All right. What is the plan you make for your money? It shows what comes in and what goes out.
Oh, that's a budget word. Easy one to start. Okay, my turn. What is the money you earn from your job?
That is your new income? Okay, next for you. The money you pay for things like rent or food.
Those are your hot expenses, hon. Okay, your turn, Debbie. What is the verb for keeping money for the future?
That is to a saver. You got that one fast. I thought the noun verb thing might catch you.
Nope, I'm on a roll. All right, listener. What did you say at home? I hope you got it too.
Okay, my turn again. The total money you have put away in the bank. It often ends with an "es."
That would be your miro, Okay, last one for you. What is a target? Like buying a new car? What is that?
That is a tagolbang. It's so important to have one. It makes saving much easier.
I completely agree. And having a goal helps you decide where to cut back. See? I got another one in.
Oh, you are very clever. You need to track down your spending. Then you know where to cut back.
Ha! We're just showing off now. I think everyone did a great job today. These words are so useful. That is the end of today's 15-minute English drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing, and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive.